Hello everyone, welcome to the Doubtlet. So in this video, we will learn how to find the sum of first n natural numbers. So first of all, I will tell you what are natural numbers. So the numbers are starting from 1 and just 2, 3, 4 and up to infinity. These are called natural numbers. Means the integer set with greater than equal to 1 are known as natural numbers. So the concept is, if we need to find sum of first 100 natural numbers or first 99 or first 50 natural numbers, then we do not need to count each number sum. So basically we will use the formula, that is, so the sum of first n natural number is n multiplied by n plus 1 divided by 2. So this is the formula to find the sum of n natural numbers. So this is the question, that is, if we have to find the sum of first 6 natural numbers, it means we need to find 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. Then the first method is, we need to count the sum, like 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 6 21. But if we do not need to count the sum of each terms specifically, then we need to use the formula. So we have to put the value of n is equal to 6, then this will become 6 plus 1 divided by 2. So it will become 6 multiplied by 7 divided by 2. So this will be cancelled 3 times, so the answer is 21. So the answer is correct. It means our formula is correct. So this how we can find any number of, we can find the sum of any number of natural numbers. Like suppose we need to find the sum of first 100 natural numbers, then we need to use this formula, 100 into 101 divided by 2. So we will get 50. So this is how we have used this concept. I have also made a calculator for this concept, and you can find the link of that in description below. Please share that calculator with your friends. Thank you very much. So I hope you got the concept what I am trying to deliver. So if you like this video, please hit the like button below, comment on this video, give the feedback so that we can improve upon the quality and the content of the solutions and the questions that we are providing. And please share it with your friends so that they can also learn the basic concepts and give proper feedback. And in the end, if you want to ask any other doubt, then visit my website, that is, link is given below in the description. And you can also ask your doubt by posting them in the comment box below. Thank you very much.